This would be the easiest job on the planet.
Worst said by every mechanic.
Thanks to misfiring in the Ferrari, we are going to attempt the plugs ourselves. That is going to be our Labor Day project. I'm going to try diagonal here.
This is terrible.
Not fun. These are the plugs we've pulled out so far. This is what I'm putting in. At least get to watch me struggle.
What?
Yo.
Hard?
That's a pain in the ass. You need arms like that to reach it.
Why?
Hey. Fire this up. It is going to be D-Day here.
Oh boy. You there? That engine light's still on.
Feels rough idle still.
Sounds like the RPMs are fluctuating.
Yeah, still something's off. It's still rough idle. We might plug your reader in, see if it gives us any codes.